Hello!
Welcome to another video by Sarah00 and Class888.
In this video, we'll be showing you how to do a glitch. Basically, all you gotta do is have your parties open, click there, and at the same time, click go now in your party.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to post, going to keep my parties list open, so when you click, you quickly have to go there. Oh, sometimes it doesn't work.
It always works for Sarah0000. Yeah.
Well, last time, like when we practiced filming this, I got such a good glitch.
Yeah, she was swimming in the friendship party.
And then there was a duplicate of me.
Oh, yay! Now I'm a wolf underwater. Woo! And there's a bunch of other people. Oh, Sarah0000. Can you come in, where is it? Is in deep blue, please.
Why isn't it working for me?
Oh wait, I see you. You're invisible. Or at least
What?
you were invisible.
Yeah, I just went to Candy Cove.
Yeah, but you were invisible. Wow. Wait,
Okay.
do you see me in whatever it's called, deep blue?
Where are you?
In deep blue.
Where? Why did it work so well?
Are you in deep blue?
Not anymore. Now I'm in Candy Cove.
Can you come to deep blue, please? Wow.
Why isn't this working?
Oh, I see you now. Now you're a dolphin. Do you see me?
Nope.
I'm standing right next to you, or at least I was before you left. I'm sitting underwater.
Please tell me this is a glitch.
It's 1:45.
No.
Oh, now I'm a dolphin again.
This is impossible.
It's really hard to do the glitch. But if you do it correctly, it's really cool.
Okay.
Once
I get something kind of loud.
Oh, that was a fail. I completely went to the friendship party. And now it won't let me go back to deep blue. If that happens to you, you just need to go to your den and... Oh, I clicked on that one. And go to deep blue and usually it'll let you go there.
It's glitching. Got it to glitch yet.
Ooh, what did you get as a glitch?
I didn't.
Sometimes it gives duplicates of you. Sometimes you can be a land animal underwater, or sometimes you're just an underwater animal on land. That's probably the coolest glitch. Or sometimes your screen turns black. Ooh, yay! I'm an Arctic wolf underwater. This is...
Why isn't it working?
Let's see. Ooh, should I turn to my fox underwater? Aw, it won't let me turn to my fox underwater. It brings me back to...
This is injustice.
It won't let me click on my change animals thing. Ah, it won't let me go anywhere.
Walla, 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 I'm a shark.
Sometimes I just have to refresh. 'Cause it's not just...
What? I went through, and I was a shark, and I became, my otter. That was weird.
That was a fail.
Okay, that was a bad idea.
You know, this guy's like, zoo my den.
How's yours going?
Well, I was a land
My
animal
shark?
underwater twice. It's... Whoa, for 1 minute I was at a friendship party, and then the second, like a split second later, I was back in. Well, anyways, I hope this glitch worked for you guys. Also, for the giveaway, we need to, tell you guys that there's only a few more days for the giveaway. And for the moment, we don't have many people who entered. So please enter this giveaway and comment, like, and subscribe this video. And please show us pictures of what happened, to your glitch. Because sometimes it puts duplicates of you
what
and stuff.
happened in your glitch?
Yeah.
If you try.
And you can, put it in the comments and stuff. And, or, you can also, tell us what happened if you can't upload the image. Thank you for watching, and bye!